we have nucleic acids, so the ones that make up our genes and our genetic information. So the main function of nucleic acids are to store and transmit hereditary or genetic information. So examples in the body are DNA and RNA. And you get them from, oops, that was messed up. It's supposed to say you get them from your parents, not your food. So we do not ingest nucleic acids. We receive those when our parents conceive us. Okay, and nucleic acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. So a couple different things here, and just remember, I won't read the other list, but just kind of start thinking about what each macromolecule is made up of. So nucleic acids also have nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay. So the monomer of nucleic acids are called nucleotides, okay? And there are 5 types of nucleotides that are used in our genes. So this is what a DNA molecule looks like up close, okay? And so these examples, so A stands for adenine, right here. G stands for guanine. T stands for thymine. C stands for cytosine, and U stands for uracil. Okay, and I don't need you to memorize all of those just yet right now, but just start to think about, so these nucleotides are what make up, they're the single individual units of the DNA molecule. So you can see here, here's adenine, here's thymine, and I think here's another thymine. I think I'm covering it up. Yeah, there we go. So cytosine's red. So here we have a cytosine, and then the blue, I guess, is guanine. So these are what link together, and those form our genes. They form our DNA. Nucleotides contain a 5-carbon sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. I'll say that again. Nucleotides, so adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, and uracil, they contain a 5-carbon sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. All 3 together are what make up, they're called a nucleotide. And those are the specific names, the specific types. Okay, so now nucleic acid polymers, so the polymer is called the nucleic acid. And examples are DNA and RNA. And we haven't really talked about what RNA is yet, but it's definitely coming up soon, so don't worry about that. But yeah, it does have to do with our genetic information as well. Okay, and so then for energy storage of nucleic acids, we are not able to store nucleic acids as energy. So they are not ever broken down for energy. They don't even store any energy at all. So don't even think about nucleic acids as energy, as forms of energy storage. Okay, all right, and then I just made this little brain map that I would encourage you all to kind of save. I'm trying to get this out of the way. Yeah, so I just have carbohydrates here in orange, then their monomer, monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, polymers down here. So here's, the polymers of carbohydrates are polysaccharides, which are sucrose, galactose, maltose, stuff like that. Okay, I think that might be wrong. Don't memorize this, just memorize this, okay? All right, and then lipids are in green. And so the fatty acid for lipids, the monomer for lipids are fatty acids, and then the polymer for lipids are fats, oils, phospholipids, steroids, hormones. And then here are proteins. Proteins, monomers are called amino acids. Amino acids make up polypeptides. And then nucleic acids, so nucleotides make up all nucleic acids. So nucleotides are the monomer, and nucleic acids are the polymer. All right, we made it. And I actually gave you guys what you were asking for and gave you this video, so you're welcome. I'm going to go back and edit out all the mistakes I made. Okay, well, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you liked seeing my face like this, if it, I don't know, made it more interesting to watch, made you feel like I was really in this with you, because I know sometimes we don't really want to do notes, but I hope it made it a little bit more enjoyable for you. And if it made it worse for you, well, I'm sorry. Maybe you can just put a little text box over my face if that bothers you. Okay, all right.